Hello everyone, konnichiwa. This is Kei. Today I will show you one of the most practical strategies to win trades. It's very simple, not complicated, so anyone can do. And you don't need any indicators to do this. In this video, I will explain this strategy in 3 simple steps and then talk about why this strategy works. I will explain this by using the live moving chart, so let's start it right now. This is a live 5-minute chart on Swiss Japanese yen on the 26th of July 2019. As you know, usually I look at and analyze the pair from daily or even weekly or monthly chart and break it down into 1 hour, 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart to see and understand the whole picture of the best entry timing. And I do it every day, on any currency pairs when I get to trade. But today, it's not gonna be like that, and I will explain why in a minute. So this is live chart and it's moving. So before I explain, let me place buy first. Hold on. And place a stop loss slightly below the recent lowest level. Always make sure to place a stop loss because it's like a sit bet, And I just placed 10 lots this time just for you to see what's gonna happen in the real-time chart. Isn't it exciting to see the live chart because no one knows what's gonna happen next? Anyways, so here is why I placed the order. You will know it by looking at 1 hour chart. Sorry, I thought I was recording the video, but it turned out that it was not actually recording. So here is a chart after a while. This is the 1 hour chart, but look at all these square boxes. Can you guess what all these boxes mean? These are what I call Tokyo box. They show the time between Tokyo open and close time, which is between 9 AM and 3 PM in Tokyo time, which is between 0 AM and 6 AM in UTC time zone. So these are basically the Tokyo sessions, and let me tell you how you can trade with 3 simple steps. First, you highlight the Tokyo session after 6 AM UTC. That way you know exactly where the highest and lowest price of the Tokyo session on that day. Second, if the price is still within that range, and usually it is, place buy stop a little over the range and place sell stop a little bit below lower price level of that range. And third, place stop loss below or above the Tokyo session, or somewhere in the middle where there's a pushback or pullback happening. That's it. And here's why it works, and it relates to the tendency of the traders in Japan. I'm a Japanese trader, so I know this well, but most of the traders in Japan does contrarian trading approach, meaning they sell when it's in the bullish trend and they buy when it's on the bearish trend. I don't say all the traders in Japan are like that, but I know we like to trade like that at times. We place buy or sell limit orders usually on like exact number or resistance or support line and trade with contrarian approach. And that's one of the reasons why there's not so much of volatility in Tokyo session, although it's the 3rd biggest financial market in the entire world. But think what happens when traders trade with contrarian approach. You know what happens when people trade within the range? Keep selling from the top of the range and keep buying from the bottom of the range. What's gonna happen is it accumulates the stop loss above or below the range, right? And when the price breaks on either direction towards outside of the range, it's not just because there are people who buy or sell at that point, but that's because there are people who are getting their loss cut and the price keeps moving that way. And that's the basic mechanism of the range break. So in Tokyo session, because lots of Japanese traders trade in contrarian approach, a stop loss accumulates outside of the Tokyo box And who's hunting the stop loss of Tokyo session? The London guys. They look for where the stop loss is accumulated in Tokyo session, and as soon as they come in to the market in London time, they start to hunt the stop loss. And that's the reason why after the price breaks the Tokyo box, that a trend extends towards that direction. Now, one thing I wanted to remind you is that this strategy does not work in all the currency pairs. There are certain pairs that work with this Tokyo box strategy. So the next question is, which currency pair does this strategy work? The answer is any Japanese yen pair. So like Euro JPY, Pound JPY, Aussie JPY, or this Swiss JPY, including US dollar JPY, dollar straight pair, or any other currency pairs with JPY, it tends to work. Now, there are two things you should be careful when using this strategy. One is when there's some kind of big fundamental news related to the currency pair. In that case, you should watch out because the price could spike on either direction no matter what. So always make sure to check the economic news on that day related to any currency pairs. And the second thing is that before you trade with this strategy, look back the history and see if it's been working for at least past 3 days. That way the chance of winning with this strategy becomes higher. So instead of just placing orders right after identifying the Tokyo box, look back and see if it's been working for at least the past 3 days, and if it does, then apply it. For example, look at this Swiss JPY in 1 hour time frame and look at the history. Here, when it breaks, it goes down. Here, when it breaks, it goes up. Here, it goes up. Here too, right? It goes up again. And this day, it goes up. And this one, it goes down, right? So as you can see, on this currency pair, it's been working like that until yesterday. So what's gonna happen when it breaks today? Most likely, it's gonna go up, right? And that's why I placed long a while ago. And currently, running like 600 or 700 profit, and I'm expecting to go up further. But let me pull up US dollar JPY chart. Hold on. Alright, you see, it seems it's not working on this currency pair, right? Like when it breaks, it goes back down. So you don't want to trade this currency pair with the Tokyo Box Breakout Strategy because it's obvious that it's not been trustable recently. The good thing about this strategy is that it's not only simple, but you don't have to be watching the price action all the time. You can just place buy or sell stop after you confirm the Tokyo box and just leave it, Go out and have fun with your family or friends or lover or whoever and look forward to the outcome. But make sure to place stop loss and get the risk reward ratio so that you know what risk you are taking on that trade. So look around at any JPY pair today and check if the Tokyo box breakout has really been working for the past few days. Then you have a chance to earn money after 6 AM UTC. Okay, here is a chart after a while, and as you can see, it's breaking upwards and currently running like $1,300 profit. So I just moved the stop loss to slightly above the entry price so that it becomes either win or break even game. Now I'm expecting the price to go up to the initial target, which is right here, but this pullback right here is huge. It broke the recent lowest downwards, so it might create a range between here and here, but we'll see what's gonna happen. Alright, thanks for watching. This Tokyo box strategy is very powerful, so if you don't fully understand how it works, watch this video over time and make sure you understand and be able to apply this in a real chart, because this can bring you a lot of profit like I do today. If you like this video, please press a good button and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notification from my future post for your trading profits. ありがとう。またね。Cheers.